Okay, we're back.
Okay, we're back. And I think we need to take a breath. The air in here feels a lot heavier after that last section.
Heavy is an understatement, man. It's like the walls are closing in. You can feel the momentum of the project is swallowing everything up.
It's more than the project, though. It's the loss of the person. The narrator, he's not even a person anymore. He's a vessel. Exactly. And this is where the deconstruction we keep talking about turns into something much more terrifying. It's the literal erasure of the self, beyond tearing down a corporate identity. Look at how he describes the aftermath of the commissioner incident. He says the space monkeys basically just tucked him in and sent him home. His most honorable excellency returns home terrified, but unharmed.
It's so casual, like they just finished a hit and now they're just playing valet. But look at what Tyler says right after. He says more and more guys who have nothing left to lose but Fight Club, are being pulled into Project Mayhem.
Because the club isn't a hobby anymore. It's a recruitment center, right? And it leads us to this incredibly intimate, almost haunting moment. He says, Tyler kneels beside my bed and says, close your eyes and give me your hand. And then he presses his lips to the scar from the kiss.
That is heavy. It's so visceral. It's not a fight anymore, it's a ritual.
But the real kicker, the part that actually breaks the logic of the narrator's reality, is when Tyler clarifies the whole two people thing. He says, we are not two different people. In a few words, it's like this. When you are awake, you can call yourself whatever you want. But when you fall asleep, my turn comes and you turn into Tyler Durden.
Wait till the insomnia he was complaining about earlier, that wall that made the world feel boring, it wasn't just exhaustion, it was a hijacking.
It's even more calculated than that. He says Tyler was using his identity to rent houses, to run errands, to work 2 jobs. He says, check the bank copies the checks. I rented the house in your name. The narrator is literally paying for his own replacement.
And the audacity, he's even using the narrator's money. It's a middle-aged nightmare, realizing you've been a passenger in your own life, and the driver is a ghost you created to escape your boredom.
But then there's the Marla element. This is the part that always gets me. He says Marla doesn't even know the difference, because he lied to her the very first night. He literally gave her a fake name to hide the fact that he was fracturing. It's a betrayal of the self, he says. I am too finished, too right. I wanted to escape my mousy scurry, to stop playing the role of a consumer in an airplane seat.
Too finished. That's such a haunting way to put it. Like he was a completed, polished, useless product.
And then we hit the fast forward, and God, it's bleak. Everything is breaking. He's terrified to even look in his own freezer, because the freezer isn't just fruit anymore. It's a graveyard. He sees these little plastic bags with frozen chunks of flesh and names of cities like Las Vegas or Milwaukee.
That is gruesome. The space monkeys are literally performing hits and he's just staring at the freezer. And look at the monkeys in the corner of the kitchen, just staring at themselves in a tiny mirror, calling themselves toxic waste of the universe's creation.
It's that loss of dignity. The deconstruction has gone too far. There's no self left to find just human refuse. But it's so strange how the text shifts. Even in this chaos, he tries to cling to something. He says, I take a deep breath and try to concentrate on my enlightened spiritual essence. Birdsong. Raindrops on roses. I want to cry.
It's so much effort. He's trying to force a Zen moment in the middle of a domestic horror movie.
And it fails. Immediately. Marla walks in and asks, what's for lunch? And the darkness just creeps back in. It's a loop. He says, a full circle is completed. He can't even look in the freezer anymore, but he's still too scared to let her. He's stuck in this purgatory of his own making.
And then we get to the Project Mayhem manuals, the napalm recipes. Gasoline, orange juice concentrate, cat feces is also visceral and gross.
It's the rejection of the civilized world. He's literally replacing the fine world with chemical sludge. And the way he describes the future, it's all corporate colonization. The constellation, IBM, the Philip Morris galaxy, the universe Budweiser. It's the end game of the consumerist identity he was trying to escape. Everything, even the stars, becomes a brand.
And the waiter just sees Tyler. He's so subservient. Everything you desire is free for you, sir. It's like the entire social contract has dissolved into this weird, terrifying cult of personality.
But the end of this passage, it brings us back to the beginning, to the actual root of the rot. He admits it. He wasn't just tired. He was too finished. He was too right. He was trapped in the mousy scurry of a perfect, middle-aged, consumerist life. And the only way he knew how to break out was to sleep.
and hope that when he woke up, he'd be someone else.
Even if that someone else was a hyper monster. Okay, I think I need a minute. We just watched a man lose his entire existence in the span of a few paragraphs.
It said he lost it, Seth. He's watching it happen in real time, and he's literally powerless to stop it because the self he's trying to save is already gone.
And it's so surreal. He starts this section talking about shadows of hands made from logs, almost like a Zen koan, and then he just admits, maybe I never woke up on this beach. It's the fragmentation. He's questioning his own fundamental reality. He says, when I think I am sleeping, I am actually not sleeping. He's describing a state of being a passenger in a body that's being hijacked.
And Marla is just there, witnessing the wreckage. She's so casual about it. She compares his split personality to the mother in Psycho, like, oh, cool, your alter ego is a terrorist. I once dated a guy who couldn't stop piercing himself.
She's the only thing tethering him to something human, even if it's just a blunt, messy reality. But look at how he describes the mechanics of the hijacking. It's so clinical. When I fall asleep, Tyler hijacks my tired body and battered face to commit something criminal. And the math of it is terrifying. He says if he goes to bed earlier, he's actually just giving Tyler more time. The more he tries to rest, the more the monster gets to live.
It's the paradox of burnout, isn't it? The more you try to escape the chaos by retreating into sleep, the more the chaos takes over your life.
But then we hit the Big Bob section, and I actually had enough to stop reading for a second. It's brutal. The standard homework. The way he describes using Fran to freeze a lock, to burst it, it's so much detail. It's like he's trying to ground this madness in something concrete, something technical.
But look at the cost. His name was Robert Paulson, and he would never be older. That line, it hits like a physical blow.
It ties back to everything he said earlier about how everything turns to dust. But here, it's a bullet. A single shot, and this warm center of the universe just becomes an object. An inanimate object. And the way the group reacts, it's not grief, it's ritual. His name is Robert Paul, really. He was 48 years old, and he was a member of Fight Club. They aren't mourning a man. They are canonizing a martyr for their cause.
It's the most terrifying thing in the book, he says. Only after death do we find our names. Because after death, we will no longer be an anonymous force. Death will make us heroes.
He's literally saying that anonymity is the prison, and death is the only way to achieve an identity. It's the dark side of the deconstruction we'd even been discussing. To find yourself, you have to cease to exist. It's a total inversion of everything we value. Usually, we fight for life, for longevity. He's saying the anonymity of living is what's killing us.
And then the irony, the absolute crushing irony. He goes to the club to end it. He stands in the center of the light and says, the game is over. The joke has gone too far. He's trying to be the voice of reason. He's trying to be the old him.
But he's not the old him anymore. He says, for all here, I am Tyler Durden. And the club doesn't care. They don't even look at him. They are looking through him. They are looking at the space under the lamp. They've moved past the individual. They are the anonymous force now.
And then the ritual starts. The evacuation of the soul. They don't even argue with him. They just lift him up. 1,500
fingers gripping every inch of my arms and legs. He's being carried away by the very thing he created. He's being evacuated from his own authority. It's the terrifying conclusion of the Middle Age crisis turned radical. You try to burn down the corporate identity to find the core, but you end up burning down the you that was even capable of making the fire.
He's just floating. I am floating. I am floating. But he's not flying toward freedom. He's being tossed aside like the very disposable trash he was trying to escape.
The full circle is complete. The creator has been deleted by his own creation. Okay, I think we need to reset. We just watched a man being physically discarded by his own movement. The soul has been evacuated.
It's a heavy way to start a new chapter. He's literally falling onto a parking lot being tossed away like trash. And the worst part, he's not even alone in the chaos. He's being hunted.
It's so claustrophobic. He's in this hotel room, the Regent, surrounded by old men and junkies, and he's just waiting. But he's not waiting for peace. He's waiting for the next collision. And look how he describes his state of mind. He says he used to want a death-like, mindless sleep. But now more than anything, I am afraid to fall asleep.
Because asleep is when the hijacking happens. That's the whole terror of the last section. He's lost control of his very nocturnal hours.
And Marla, she's just there handing him a handful of pills, like it's nothing. She's even talking about the next level of drugs. She mentions crosses, black beauties, or alligators. I have to stop you there, Jane. I was actually looking into that. Those aren't just random names. They're actual slang for different types of stimulants. It's that gritty, underground layer of the world he's living in. The vocabulary of his decay is real.
Well, it certainly adds to the vibe, but man, Marley is wild. She tells him he can just shove him up his ass to avoid a stomachache. I mean, she's definitely not the civilized person from the IKEA-furnished life he used to live.
But look at the tension. He's terrified. He says he feels marked like a migratory goose because of the pins on the Project Mayhem maps. The very idea that his movements are being tracked by office supplies. It's the loss of privacy. The disposable man is now a tracked man. And he's so lost in it that he can't even distinguish himself from Tyler anymore. He says, "Wherever I go, everyone takes me for Tyler Durden."
And it's working for him. The bus driver gives him a free ride. The guys on the bus give him their seats.
But it's a hollow victory, isn't it? It's just more of that copy of a copy feeling. He's a ghost inhabiting a legend. But then, the tone shifts. It goes from this drug-fueled hotel room haze to absolute clinical destruction. Then, so I've been in my child them core.
The police line. He's watching from the bus. He sees the window blown out. He sees the desk falling from the 4th floor.
And he just describes it as very effective. No emotion. Just, I'm a lump in Joe's stomach. He's literally disassociating from his own physical presence. He's not even the man at the desk anymore. He's just the debris. And then he admits it. He admits the truth. I know my boss is dead.
And he's not even surprised. He's like, yeah, I authorized this. I even provided the recipe.
This is the part that always makes my skin crawl. The way he goes into the technical details of the bomb, the CRT monitor, the drilling, the gasoline, the cat feces. It's so specific. It's almost like he's writing a manual for the reader. He's saying, if you want to destroy the system, here is the exact voltage you need to discharge. It's a terrifyingly practical kind of nihilism.
It's the new cuisine of anarchy. He's talking about nitrates and barium as if he's a chef. It's so detached from the human cost.
But the cost is right there in the next line. The trouble is, I loved my boss a little bit. That's the tragedy. He's caught between this old human loyalty and this new chemical rage. He says, my father is the model for my God, and sometimes your career can replace your father. He's trying to reconcile the corporate identity he hated with the person he actually was.
And then the space monkeys find him. On the bus.
It's so sudden. 1 second he's looking at the wreckage of his office, and the next, 20 shaved heads are turning to look at him. And the driver calls him Mr. Durden, sir. He's part of it. The whole world has been recruited into this decentralized, anonymous hierarchy.
And the mechanic, the guy from the club, he's right there, holding a hunting knife.
And the rubber band. He says, you know they are going to pull your testicles with it right now. It's a total loss of autonomy. He's not even the leader of the revolution anymore. He's just a target. He's being hunted by the committee he helped build.
He's just trapped in a bus surrounded by people who see him as a god but treat him like a prisoner.
The deconstruction is complete. There's nothing left to tear down because there's nothing left of him.
Man, that bus scene is heavy. I need to step away before my brain actually implodes.
Agreed. Let's take 5 and clear the air.